In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails in Zoho CRM, an essential skill for streamlining your customer outreach and managing your marketing communications more effectively. To begin, you'll first navigate to the homepage of your Zoho CRM account. Once you are there, you'll see the dashboard with various options that help manage your customer relationships, resources, and marketing tools right from your fingertips. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Leads tab. The Leads section is where all potential customers and inquiries are accessible, giving you a comprehensive view of individuals or companies that have shown interest in your offerings. This step is crucial as it's where you'll identify who exactly you want to include in your bulk email. After navigating to the leads, the next move is to choose a specific record by marking the checkbox next to it. Carefully selecting your targets ensures that your email campaign reaches the right audience, amplifying its effectiveness. Remember, you can select multiple options here, enabling you to reach out to several leads with just one click. From there, you'll see an option labeled Actions. Click on it, which opens up a variety of tasks you can perform on your selected leads. This feature underlines Zoho CRM's flexibility in allowing users to tailor actions according to their specific needs. Following that, you will find an option to click on Mass Email. This feature is particularly powerful as it allows you to send a single email to a large list of contacts effortlessly. By utilizing this tool, you save time while ensuring consistent messaging across all recipients. Once you access the Mass Email interface, locate and click on Create Mass Email. This is where your bulk email journey officially begins. Here you'll find yourself in email creation mode, where the process of designing and launching your email campaign happens. Choosing a pre-designed template for your email is your next step. Zoho CRM offers various templates to suit different purposes, whether it's a promotional message, a newsletter, or an update. This option not only saves time but also ensures professional and visually appealing emails. After selecting your template, you'll be asked to choose a Send option. Consider whether you want to send your emails immediately or schedule them for a later date, depending on your strategy and audience availability. Planning the right time for email delivery can make a significant impact on your engagement rates. Next, think about the possibility of a follow-up action. Opting for follow-up actions allows you to further engage with recipients and cultivate deeper relationships through continuous communication. This step asks you to decide on any additional touches you may wish to automate regarding your recipients' responses. However, if follow-ups aren't needed, you may well skip this step and choose no follow-up emails. It's worth considering your overall email marketing strategy to make an informed decision here. Finally, you'll culminate your efforts by clicking on Send. This command sets your well-crafted email on its journey towards reaching your chosen leads. Don't forget to review everything before hitting Send, ensuring no crucial detail is overlooked. By following these steps, you should find sending bulk emails through Zoho CRM both manageable and efficient, enhancing your ability to connect with leads and customers effectively.